Fire!
Like, dude, our box is good, but they're like all over there. I don't know why they're aiming up.
Hey guys, you need to move up right.
Yeah, go.
We're under fire. I don't think you guys, come on, we gotta move now.
Hey, if he's not getting hit right now, you guys can go.
Hey, we can move up.
Hey, if you run through there, you won't get hit.
Wait. Hey, how's it up the road? Up the road, up the road. How is it? Up the road. How is it? It's good. You're good. Got two. Right side of the road. They're at the minivan.
Jake, want me to go with you? Go. Shit, we're getting shot at.
There's a whole team down there.
Shit, dude.
Don't worry over here.
This is where I ate shit because it's fences. Yeah, dude, we got so many people behind us.
You good?
I hear gas, dude. They're like,
What's the situation?
hey, get down. There's a guy right there. Oh yeah.
How's the burp? Hey, how is it?
Hey, check down.
Yeah, there's about 3 or 4 up.
Get him.
A couple, like 200 yards maybe.
Move in. Clear over there. Hey, come over here.
Hey, they're laying down in the bushes. Like 200 yards. Maybe 150.
I'm taking cover trying to get over the burn, dude. Bump.
Fuck. Dude, this guy's an idiot. He's not even getting close to us.
Hey, buddy. You're not going to get through. You got guys passing the bomb. What? Pass me the bomb. You're not going to get through. You got guys over there. Oh, coming up. That's good. You got guys far down there.
You got hit, Hunter?
What's the respawn?
1 man.
Where is it?
It's red flag.
Gunners down, guys! Gunners down!
Hey!
I need a mag! Cover up! Cover fire, boys! Hey!
up, Jake? I just got 2 guys at the minivan. I had to crawl through the bushes, dude. My legs are so dirty. Oh shit! Ah, hit! Fuck. Jake! Turn off. We did better than they did.
Got way farther than they did.
Dude, we were so close. They should have made that like a 30-minute game.
Dude, they said 5 minutes from the end of it and like 2 minutes.
We were just about to win. If we got them to go into the city, we could have got it, dude. Well, this was a fun day at Warptops. I think I did it right. Dude, that's...
Look at me again.